Hello, in this video we'll walk through downloading and installing the 1D and 3D drivers for Simcenter Testlab. To start, go to the Support Center. Under the Downloads option, select the Simcenter Testing Solutions product line. Then, under the Select a Version dropdown, select the specific entry for the Simcenter Testlab drivers. From this page, you can download the 3D driver or the AimSim driver. Depending on your version of AimSim and your version of Testlab, you may need a different driver. Click on the driver entry to start its download. Then, navigate to its location in the Windows File Explorer. In order to use the downloaded package, right-click on it and extract it. Browse into the extracted location. Right-click on the driver setup file, then run it as administrator. Select Next to the installation, and then Install to begin. Then, click Finish to complete the installation.